Yo, first things first, it's time to shake ground in the 8th round. Box battle will break down for the beat and the rhyme tone. Jump in the cyclone, SC where yes, I know. The rap beam backseat, pack red beam, put them up. The bad seed, spitting the gorilla tag team. What's up now, dog? They can't breathe.
Yo, you know the routine, the demon effect, please don't wanna be one of my pet peeves. The more beef, the better. Sounds strange, you all wanna creep together. Okay, in the club with a cheesy sweater. Why not? We got so much street credit, the rookie police letters. Now that's foolish, cause we don't act sweet. Cause I can run 10 laps in a track.
Keep it, moving this on now, making it bump loud, shaking the bump loud.
Rosewood District, a possible code 6 suspect was just seen heading southbound on Highway 99. Units in the area to respond.
Did you give me more info on that call?
Complainant hung up before we could get a description. Stand by, we're trying to call them back.
I'll start over that way.
Stats, man's on whether you want it to end. Dirty McGee.
TVs, I'ma flip them out. 50-50 plane, tell them, ship it out.
Coming down, shining rose. Feeling like I'm at Rose. Make this up and stay right. This every night. The same big faces make me lame for a bite.
Weather, but I'm a survivor. Shame on you if you thought I would ever leave. I'ma be right there where the legends be. I am unbreakable.
I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Whole song, you wanna hear another verse? Everybody cool, hola.
Back in the days with the back in you when you was out there getting paid with the you get the with
in the streets of melodies like our heartbeat playing against piano.
Channel 3 be advised, a reckless driver has just been reported northbound to the Petersburg interchange. All units in the vicinity, please respond.
Got any other info?
We're having a hard time with the vehicle description at this time. All units stand by.
I'm just now behind that reported driver. Yeah, this guy's running. We got a chase here. Head up that way, I'm in the area. Vehicle lost. Minimum time delay. Can't be far.
Remaining units, be advised, vehicle went BCB.
advanced status. Lambs, however you want it to end. Dirty beginning, a burner begin. 05 serving the fans, 30 in France. You knocked out, driven the wind. Hopped out, what you want? Take a look at my plan. I'm a bitch, you can tell by the flippers and fans.
Yo, I got a rock style, living the horse break. Show people look at this golden guitar straight through the mind. Rushing the leg, cool the tie. Pushing the leg, how they make the leg in July. And we can find more stuff. Drop some for the kids in the hall.
Something else, shout it something else. Hot enough to make the
Man, I
sun
got a
melt.
spook blue shit. You know, 24. Look at your crazy down the boys. Chain boys, drizzle us. Start spring, spring soon. This is a boy.
I got a curly hair, dirty red. 11 hands leaning in the Lincoln with a wild left leg. Looking in the tenant, get your left side bed. Leave your laid out that late. Pull it by the light. In my shoes, my boots, my kicks, my flip flops, whatever. I done seen the weather. Now I'm a survivor, king. I would never leave. I'm right there with the legend. Give them a rock, I would never deal with me sometimes. Never say, go when you run. It's time to buy your life right now. Still I got a slight smile. It's gonna be better days than Tupac. Maybe like Life's about struggling and over.